Social data is important to O2 because we have over 1.5 million fans and followers across different social channels. There's 3 of us that use Crimson Hexagon at O2. We sit within the social media insight team and we look after all social media campaign reporting and all social media research projects. What Crimson allows us to do is it allows us to get more upstream in the planning process. So the actual research and insight that we're producing feeds into the marketing planning process. So therefore, actually, we're having a say at the beginning of the marketing planning process as opposed to coming at the end and offering campaign analysis. So I guess there's 2 ways that O2 use social data to drive value. One is looking at our branded mentions on social media, and this is to help us track how our brand's performing on social media, how our products and services are being used by our customers, and that's really to give a health check and actually to give regular feedback to the relevant teams internally of what customers like and what they don't like. The second way we sort of get value out of social media is through unbranded mentions. So this is looking at trends and topics. We might see what features people talk about that they like on an Apple or on a Samsung. And we can then feed this through to the web team, who then can design the web page so they really bring out those features and make it more relevant to our customers. One of the things we look at is when people book holidays, and if we see a spike at the same time each year, we can then make sure that we have the relevant offers on our priority app, for example, at that time that people are most likely to book a holiday. My favourite feature on Crimson Hexagon is the Affinities tool. So Affinities allows us to look at the interests of our audience, and from there we can compare and contrast what an iPhone user versus a Samsung user, what they're interested in, and therefore we can make more tailored content towards that audience. So the next thing for us is looking at image analytics. So many posts get shared across Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, whatever it is, on a daily basis, and actually we don't know how much value that's creating for our brand and where our logo is being shared. With image analytics, hopefully we'll be able to track where our logo is used and see what halo effect that's having on the brand overall. We really love Crimson Hexagon here. It's just made it a lot easier for us to look at trends. It's quicker reporting. It gives you a deeper level insight of actually looking at the interests of our customers, which we've never had before. It's just a good tool that sort of across the board is very strong.